It's snowing out there. It's April 2nd and it's snowing. Holy crap, I've had my new bike for a month and we're getting 4 inches of snow today. What the hell? Well, no big deal because I got my new race face grips today. Ooh, don't they look sweet? And I'm thinking about cutting the handlebars down today. Not sure. I'm thinking about taking this for a test drive. See, I have it kind of at where I want to cut it down. Oh, 800 milli 780, 760, I believe, is what I'm cutting it down to. But we're going to do some tests first and then take it for a test drive. So this might be kind of long-winded, but let's go. All right, so part one is assembling the grips. Obviously, this one has not been assembled. And I got these. I was like, what the hell? But the little rings snap on somewhat cumbersomely. So what you want to do is you want to line up these two notches with the notches that are on there, like so. Get a nice flat surface. Obviously, I cannot get it on there. That's not an easy task to do. I had to turn it upside down to get it on there, but this one I got on there okay. But now you put your screws in and put it on the bike. Yay! Okay, for all you do it at home people there, you can see I just taped off the edge here to protect the inside of the grip. I'm just going to try to cut along that line. So I'm going to save myself some money cutting them myself. So here we go. Get the chainsaw ready. Alright people, that only took me 12 minutes to get through. You can see it's not quite even, but as I peel the tape off, you're going to see that I did scratch the inside of the... Alright, so now you can see that I did actually scrape it a few times here. But it doesn't look too bad. Obviously, I could flip this side inside here, and we'd have a new side on the outside, so that could get scratched on the trail. So I guess I might just leave it the way it is after I sand it down a little bit. Whoa, they weren't kidding. It's really coming down now. I think it's coming down twice as much as it was before. That's still a perfect day to finish my project. I got both sides cut down now. And I got it filed. See if it'll zoom in there. I got it filed and sanded. It's real nice and smooth. Ah, I cut my finger. No, I'm kidding. Well, there you have it, folks. I got the handlebars cut down and the grips installed, and I have to say it feels like a different bike. So for me, the handlebar length is a big deal, and I'm ready to go riding. Trying to adjust the camera a little bit there. As you can see, there's snow everywhere. I'm having fun dodging snow particles. Woo! The key is to try not to hit any of the snow particles. Anyways, I am about 20 days into my new grips. I really like them. So this is kind of the end of my handlebar cut down and new grip installation. And I tell you this right now, it's comfortable with or without gloves. These grips are. Hello. Sorry. This is going to be a little bit wacky as I try to dodge snow. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but I'm dodging the little piles of little chunks of snow that are still on the trail. We had 15 inches, 16 inches on the 14th of April. And it's going away. But I wanted to do a review real quick on the grips. They are really comfortable either way, I think. And I'm really enjoying them quite a bit. Let's see if you can see this one. Woo! Oh,
Whoa. However, you can see there's a little smudge right there. So they're probably going to get discolored and look kind of goofy toward the end of the year. But I guess we'll have to see. You can also see I did some scrapes when I put the bike upside down to bring it over to the shop. I was having an issue with the dropper seat post. But it's not that big of a deal, really. I'm having fun with them. I like them a little bit better than the pivot grips that were on here. And I'm also liking the length. I cut off enough that it feels really comfortable right now. So that's pretty much it, folks. I am going to do some trail riding here pretty soon, I hope, because I think the trails are going to open here in about 2 weeks, hopefully. See you then.